Hello and welcome. In this short video, I will introduce AQARAT, a UAE-developed enterprise property management and ERP platform from computer science company. AQARAT is designed for real estate owners, family offices, property management companies, and enterprise landlords who need stronger control over leasing, payments, maintenance, accounting, compliance, and reporting. AQARAT is built for real estate first and backed by ERP-grade financial control. Let's look at the market challenge in UAE and GCC. The issue is not daily administration, it's the operating control. If lease agreements, receivables, maintenance, VAT filing, and accounting are scattered across multiple Excel files and separate tools and software, you cannot see the leakage early enough, leading to delayed collections, audit risks, and slow decision making. AQARAT solves this by connecting the full rental collection and maintenance lifecycle, from leases and tenants PDCs and collection to maintenance requests and owner reporting. Every action produces the correct financial impact. AQARAT is a real estate first ERP platform. Property operations are the source and finance becomes the control layer. A major advantage of AQARAT is how it links the rental lifecycle to the general ledger. A lease becomes a financial schedule, and installments become a collection control points, and maintenance tickets becomes actionable cost data. This moves management from relying on delayed spreadsheets to using live, reliable evidence with stronger control over revenue, expenses, VAT reconciliations, and reporting. This is where AQARAT proves practical for daily teams. With clear transaction statuses and history, your accounts team can monitor payments, deposits, and bounce checks effortlessly. Meanwhile, the leasing team gains full visibility into unit availability and renewals, significantly reducing blind spots across the portfolio. Management can follow aging and collection risk without waiting for manual reconciliations. Maintenance is another area where hidden costs often occur. AQARAT structures the full maintenance lifecycle, from the initial request from tenant through technician assignment to final completion. By tracking AMC contracts, contractor performance, and job costs, you get true cost intelligence, helping you understand the real bottom line impact of every maintenance task and expense cost up to the property and unit level. AQARAT's strength lies in its built-in financial control. You do not need an isolated accounting system. With its ERP core, every operations flows directly into financial controls. AQARAT also supports multi-company. Each company has its own accounting system. It supports bilingual Arabic-English interface. All of this results in a fewer manual posting, fewer reconciliations errors, and faster month-end reporting for your management team. Proactive communication is also built in. Tenants receive an automated reminders for lease renewals and payments, while management benefits from real-time alerts on overdue tasks and bounce checks. By using standard correspondence templates, you ensure a professional tenant experience and significantly fewer missed deadlines across all your portfolio. AQARAT's value is confirmed by user feedback. Verified public reviews highlights AQARAT's stability, ease of use, and responsive support. Clients consistently note that our practical design helps them move from manual tasks to reliable, automated, and accurate daily operations. For enterprise client, the real advantage is implementation certainty. By combining our deep UAE operating knowledge with ERP-grade control, we offer a solution that is less risky than heavy global customization, yet stronger and more scalable than basic legacy tools. To conclude, AQARAT is a revenue control and operational intelligence platform designed for real estate companies that prioritize growth. It streamlines your operations, improves financial visibility, and ensures you have the control needed to scale your portfolio successfully. If you manage properties in the UAE or the GCC and want a smarter, integrated platform, we invite you to book a focused AQARAT demo with our CSC team. Let's build a smarter, more profitable real estate future together. AQARAT provides a 360-degree view of your portfolio, automated accounting entries, and full compliance with UAE regulations. Whether you deploy locally or on the cloud, you manage hundreds or thousands of properties or units. For a single company or many companies, AQARAT is perfectly designed to satisfy all your business requirements. AQARAT is accessible from anywhere to empower your team. It's time to see AQARAT interface and features. Stay tuned for our short AQARAT online demo. Welcome to AQARAT demo. We will log in as accountant and see what we can get in the AQARAT workspace. First, we can see all the modules which we have access to. As accountant, I have access to property management, communication, property maintenance, and accounting. In property management, we have shortcuts, details about unit occupied, unit booked, unit vacant, lease active, check cleared, and check bounced. Here we can see the master files about properties, units, tenants, and owners. Here we can see the procedures or the daily transactions starting from lease quotation, lease, and lease payment. Let's log into lease. In lease screen, we can see a lease list showing all the leases which we have. We have 264 leases. We can click on any of these leases and see what action we can have on any of the lease. In this lease, we can renew the lease after expiry. We can extend the lease period. We can break the lease at any time, or we can end it normally. We can see the details about the lease and the annual rent, the tenant details, owner details, fees included in the lease, the payment schedule, how many payments, what type of payment, is it check or cash, what was received, what's balance, the terms, and lease setting. We can add any payment to the lease, like the additional fees, and we can print the lease from here. The system automatically generates financial records out of any transactions. So if I'm an accountant, I can see the ledger for this lease easily, and it's automatically, no need for manual entries. So I can see, starting from here, I can see the vouchers created automatically upon submitting the lease. Going back to AQARAT, we can see the other modules, including the communication modules, which has templates, different templates for different emails, which whether it's a news or maintenance, lease email, lease renewal email, check emails, or installment emails. In property maintenance, we can manage the full life cycle, starting from maintenance request, maintenance order to technician, doing the maintenance job, then raising the invoice to the landlord or to the tenant. Of course, each of these transactions has financial impact and reporting also. So any transaction we do, we can get reports about unit vacant, active lease register, lease due for renewal, lease expiry, check details, income, lease income distribution, fiscal income, tenants outstanding, and so on. In accounting, we can see the general accounting reports. This includes of course, we can get the chart of account, the general ledger, the financial reports like trial balance, profit and loss, and other financial statements. We can see the chart of account with real-time account balances. So this is a short video about the AQARAT interface. We can see here it's multi-company, so we can have multi-company in the using the same system. This is working from any web browser. We can switch it to English and Arabic at any time. So if you have Arab-speaking users, they can click to Arabic, and then everything goes to Arabic. Then if we want, we can switch it back to English. That's it for today. Thank you and goodbye.